If you want to join an online meeting, you can do so using your laptop or using your mobile phone, as long as both is connected to the internet. So I'm going to be teaching you how to join a meeting on Google Link, whether using your laptop or your phone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Consider subscribing, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always being there. So maybe the link has been sent to you, so just click on the link and it will ask you to choose a particular Gmail account that you want to use to join the meeting. You now choose one of your email accounts. So once you choose that Gmail account, because it's a Google platform, it brings you up to this. If you don't want video and audio, just turn them off here as indicated, then click on ask to join. Then at the host end, they will be able to admit you. Once they admit you, you join. If they do not admit you, you will not be able to join. So if they admit you, it's going to show like this. If you want to leave the meeting, just click on this call end button, this red one here is highlighted. So another way to join is open your Gmail account, click on this video icon, then click on join with a code. So you see this is the meeting link that has been sent to you. These last three codes, this one that is highlighted, the OREGZ and all of that, don't put the hyphen, just put the meeting, the digits. This one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 3, that's 10. Just put those letters and join. That is how to join using your phone. So another way to join, I'm going to show you how to join using your laptop. So if you want to join using your laptop, you can either copy the link. So this is my laptop. I'm going to open my browser, Chrome browser. When I open it, I can either copy the link and paste. So I'll just choose the account I want to use to log into the meeting. Type the link in the URL to join, or copy it and paste, or just, for me, I sent the link to my Gmail, so I'm going to just open my Gmail on my laptop and open the inbox where the message was sent to, and then just click on the link. Once I click on the link, you can see the link. I'll just click on it and I'll be able to join the meeting. So joining the meeting, you can also choose if you want your video to be on or if you want it to be off. If you want it to be on, you put it on. If you don't want it to be on, you put it off. You can see both the audio and the video are off. So I'll just click on this place they say ask to join, and I will click ask to join. And once the host admits me into the meeting, I've joined the meeting. You can see the meeting. This meeting is ongoing, just two people that are in the meeting. This is the end call button. If you don't want to continue the meeting, you leave. This other button, if you open it, you can see these options that if you want to do one or two things, full screen and all of that. So this other one, if you want to raise hand, you click on it. If you want to also unraise the hand, like remove the hand, you also click on it. If you want closed caption, if you want reaction, maybe they say clap or you laugh. Maybe someone is saying something that is funny, you can react with a laugh emoji. So you can also thumbs up. You can do a lot of things using that. So this one is for camera. If you want to use camera, you have to allow this thing. If you don't want you can turn it off. If you also want to use your audio, you can also see the next place, which is where the audio this thing is. You can also turn it off or on. So anything you want to do depends on you. For audio, you may like to leave it muted unless you want to speak during the meeting. But if you don't want to speak during the meeting, you can just mute yourself so that your background noise will not be captured. So for closed caption, maybe the meeting you want it to be translated, you want to share screen, all these options are very user friendly. That's one of the things I like Google Meet for. It's user friendly. So for raising of hand, once you click on it, you can see it say this person raised hand. So also once you click on it again, your hand will be lowered. So it's very, very easy and simple to use Google Meet. If you don't know how to create a meeting link, you can check this video. I'm going to link a video in the description where you can learn how to create a meeting, like a meeting link as a host. This one is just to teach you how to join a meeting. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.